Hi future pharmacists! We wanted to tell you a bit about why Glasshouse is the perfect place to complete your foundation year. We're located in the city centre, right next to the sexual health clinic, which always keeps things exciting.
Here at Glasshouse, we use the latest AI technology like Titan to make prescription checking more efficient. This means less time on the tedious task and more time for the fun stuff.
We get a wide variety of patients and prescriptions, so it's a great place to gain well-rounded experience. You'll be guided by experienced pharmacists who will allow you to put your recent prescribing training into practice.
We don't only deal with minor ailments like sore throats and infections, we also deal with the more exciting stuff like IV drips, sexual health and aesthetics.
We're also proactive in modern functional medicine for a holistic approach, including lifestyle, diet and gut health.
Our team has great energy. We have fun at work and also outside the pharmacy too.
And we're never overwhelmingly busy, so you can keep that work-life balance.
If you're looking to get real-world experience from a fun and supportive environment, then Glasshouse Pharmacy is for you.
We can't wait for you to join our team.
Check out what previous students had to say about their experience.
Working at Glasshouse Chemist really prepared me well for life as a pharmacist. Lots of patient exposure, lots of insight. It really allowed me to apply all the theoretical knowledge that I learned at university and how to apply them into a real world scenario.
I just want to say joining Glasshouse is one of the best decisions I've made, and you're going to have a lot of fun waiting for you. So enjoy and best of luck.
There's a great team. Glasshouse Pharmacy is like family to me now, and whenever I need anything, they're the person I can trust and go to. You get to learn, and you won't be working alone. You'll be working with another pre-reg, so you get to both share the work and also share your experience and learnings as well. It's a great experience being in the centre of Nottingham, being exposed to so many different types of patients. So I'd absolutely recommend.
So, will you choose Glasshouse to complete your foundation year?